Hello there and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will demonstrate how to create golden color effect in Snapseed. 1. Open the photo. Launch Snapseed and open the image you want to edit. 2. Select the Tools menu. Tap on the Tools icon at the bottom of the screen. 3. Use the Tune Image tool. In the Tools menu, choose the Tune Image option. Start by increasing the warm slider to add a golden tone to the image. This will warm up the overall photo. Adjust the ambient slider if you want to increase the vibrancy and brightness slightly. Or enhance with selected tool. Tap on the Tools menu again, then choose Selective. Place points on the areas where you'd like the golden effect to pop up. Example, highlights, skin tones, or parts of the sunset. Increase brightness and saturation at those points to make the gold effect more prominent. 5. Add a touch of glow with Glamour Glow tool. Go to the Tools menu and select the Glamour Glow tool. Increase the glow intensity and adjust the saturation to enhance the golden tones further, giving it a soft, glowing effect. 6. Use the Vignette tool, optional. To bring focus to the center and enhance the warm golden tones, go to the Tools menu and choose the Vignette tool. Decrease the inner brightness a bit and increase the outer brightness slightly, creating a subtle glow around the image, making the golden effect stand out even more. 7. Use the brush tool for extra golden touches. Optional. Go to Tools and select the brush tool. Choose the dodge and burn option and set it to dodge to lighten specific areas you want to glow more, like sun rays or reflective surfaces. You can paint over areas where the golden glow should be more intense. 8. Final adjustments. Go back to the Tune Image tool to adjust contrast and saturation as needed, ensuring the golden hues blend seamlessly and look natural. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.